Hi, David here of Lancaster MG. In here we've got a nice, really shiny black MG ZS. It's the 1 litre, it's an exclusive and it's got the automatic gearbox. So it's about the best combination you can get for fuel economy, bar going for the full electric. And what I'll be doing in this video is just showing you some of the features the exclusive model comes with. So just before we start with that, what I will do is I'll show you the interior of the Excite model. So it's very nice, still very cushioned. However, you actually get slightly different material. It's a little bit higher quality in the exclusive model than the Excite. So what we'll do first though, is we'll just start. Drive side rear wheel. Now we've got diamond cut design on there. We've also got the moulding that goes all the way around the vehicle as well, just to prevent any stone chips catching the underneath or the inside of the wheel arches. You've then got the keyless entry on this model as well. So you just press that, locks or unlocks the vehicle. As we move around, you've got some LED running lights just under there. And you do get more with MG with them having a 7-year warranty. As we move around onto the rear, one of the features of the exclusive is you do actually get the reverse camera just under there. So the Excite gets the parking sensors on the rear, but you only gain the camera with the exclusive model. Just while we're at the rear as well, we'll just pop the boot open. So just make sure it's open. There we are. So inside the boot, you do get plenty of space. You do have a warning triangle just over on the side there. If you're wondering why it's a little bit deeper, you can actually lower the boot floor. And there we go. Gains a little bit more space, but you do lose the underfloor storage then. And in that underfloor storage, you do have room for a spare wheel if you want one, but it does come with an inflation kit. Seat down, it's not completely flat with the boot floor lowered, but it is when you put it in the higher position. Now we'll just take a look in the back seat. So you can see there, not completely flat, but again you're going to get plenty through there. Just lift that back up, move the seat belt buckle out of the way. There we are. So again, a nice seat, sort of, it's not real leather, but it's imitation leather, good quality as well, but it does feel really nice, quite spongy as well. You've then got 2 USBs in the rear for your rear seat passengers and a little area to store a device out of the way. And moving from there into the driver's seat, just before we get in as well, you do get electric adjustment on that as well. You've also got electric windows all around. Just want to start the engine up, just give it a moment. You do get a dual clutch transmission, so it's really nice to use. And you do have a sport mode there, so the way that works, I'll just keep my foot on the brake. You do come all the way down and then you go across and you can have sort of a sequential shift up and down. So quite a sporty little feature there. So I'll just get rid of the low fuel message because we will make sure there's fuel in before any handover. But you do get the full digital driver's display in the exclusive model as well. As you can see, it's only done 12 miles, they're delivery miles. So moving on from there, onto features. So this is where you've got your sort of controls flick through your menus. That's what I just used there to clear the low fuel sign. You've then got your sort of volume and audio controls over on the left, including source and a dedicated phone button. Just back to this side though, if you're wondering what that one is, it's a programmable button, so you can have it do a few functions, depends which one you want. Behind the wheel there, you've got automatic lights, you've got cruise control just down there. Over on this side, you do have intermittent wipers, so you can adjust that all you like with that setting there, just with the wheel. And then over onto the centre screen, so you do get navigation in this model. I'll just load that up while we look at something else, it just takes a second. So underneath here, you do get a couple of USBs, one of which is for your smartphones, so that's just that one there. You can get your 12-volt power outlet as well. There's a few buttons just in front, so you do get hill descent control, got your vehicle stability assist, 360 camera. Over on this side, you've just got your start as well, which is just that one there. Just hit the accept button, let the sat nav load. It's quite a nice system, tells you where all traffic lights are, absolutely great. And there's our current location, Northgate. So if you want to get back to the home screen, you've got these little tabs, so they're pretty self-explanatory. That one there, you've got thermostat on, so I'll just hit that one. So just loads up temperature. Then you've got your fan speed. So these all flip up and down, so we'll turn that right down for now. As I said, that one there being your temperature, up for warmth, down for cool, but we'll make sure that's all off with the fan speed. And then you've also got your demisters, an on and off button, so I'll just flick that off, and then you've got volume up and down as well, along with the home button. So back onto the home screen, you can see we've got a 360 view. You've also got Apple CarPlay. If I can hit the little tab, also got Android Auto there, video, and then you can turn the screen off. We'll just go back onto there, just show you 360 cam. So there's our forward direction. So this is why you don't need parking sensors on the front, because it tells you exactly where you are and shows you the screen as well. You can go to a 3D view, but I do personally think the 2D looks a little nicer because you get a bit of a better idea where you are at the front. But you can choose your camera, so if you want to look at the rear or even from the side, so these are built into the wing mirrors. So it's a great system. We'll just pop ourselves back on home. Oh, I did forget actually, you've got to press the X to do that. There we are, back on the home screen. And the last few little things to cover then. So you do get cup holders in this. You've also got a nice little storage tray just behind, with it being keyless start. Nice place to leave the key. You've got a nice comfy armrest. And underneath there, they've not cluttered it with any wires or anything. It is literally just storage. Really great design there. But if there is anything I've not covered in this video, or there's any extra info you want, don't hesitate to get in contact with us and we'll see what we can do to help. Better end the video before we run out of fuel. So thanks for watching and take care. Bye.